I know it's been a minute, but I wanted to get this out as soon as possible. Just because everybody was asking for it. This is gonna be my review on some nail hardener strengtheners. There's gonna be a second part to this video, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you're notified when I upload the next part. But without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first part, we're gonna be talking about my nails. I had a terrible gel reaction to a brand's jelly tip builder gel type deal. I'm not 100% sure if it was the ingredients as much as it was my poor application. So take that as you will. I just won't be using that brand anymore. I did previously have a gel allergy. As long as it was HEMA free, it wasn't really a problem for me. But this brand it was HEMA free and I think HPMBA, something like that. I'll put it up in the cards. Free as well. So I think it was kind of a combination of both, and then on top of that, doing manis back to back to back to back to back to back to back. I just wasn't taking really good care of my nails, and now I am paying the price for that. So I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I have like a lot of divots. I have these weird things. If you're interested in seeing what they looked like before, like right after I took off the jelly tips, then PM me. I don't want this video get taken down for graphic stuff, but that's kind of where I'm at. So they have actually grown quite a bit since I had my mishap. This one, I don't know what's going on with it, but here we are. So naturally I went out into the market and found a bunch of nail strengtheners, and here's my thoughts on all of them. First up, we have the Ion nails, which everybody was raving about. My biggest ick with this one is gonna be there's no instructions. No instructions on the box, no instructions anywhere. So I saw what other influencers were doing, was ambassadors, whatever, nail pals were doing 1 to 2 coats, and I would reapply almost every other day because it would chip a lot, etc. I don't know exactly if this did anything for me. It did a burn. And after talking with some peeps that have used this, that was normal because the parts that were burning were just super weak. Needed a little bit more strength. So this one, I don't know if it did anything or if it did anything. This was actually the second one I tried. So I'm sure it helped along the way. Second, I won a giveaway from Nail Aid a while back, so I have like all the brand or all the different ones that say keratin, 3-day growth, nail rehab. I have them all. These I feel didn't do anything at all. I have been using this one on as a top coat over another brand's nail strengthener, but we'll get back to that in a minute. My favorites, this one my nail pal Erin recommended to me. It is on the pricier side, I will say. It is Beauty Guard Rocket Nail Feel. I really liked how one, it had very clear instructions both on the packaging on the website and on the bottle. It's vegan and 7 free. It has a lot of good ingredients as well. So this one, it was apply 1 coat every day on top of the last for 1 week, and then remove all product and begin the process over again until nails have reached the desired length and strength. So I only used this one about a week. It did definitely help. So I will probably be taking this out and using it again here in some new future. Like I said, it is a little bit more pricey, but I feel like this is the one that actually did something. And then last on the list is Dipology's new strengthening nail polish. Absolutely love this stuff. My nails already feel stronger. I've been using it for about a week now. I'm definitely getting some of my growth back, so love that for me. And what Erin recommends for this one is 2 coats and then a nail polish top coat. So that's why I've been using this on top of this one, and this has been great. I actually took it off to kind of do a little tutorial video on how to use her nail soak. So that'll be the second half of this video. But absolutely love this. It's amazing. I'm waiting on some liquids from her that I purchased. Her liquids are enriched in vitamin E, etc. So that's really helped me as well. And then, as always, my Mani Chic cuticle oil. So all Mani Chic cuticle oils are infused in her herb called horsetail, which contains silica, which is the very thing that our nails need to grow healthy and strong. So I wouldn't say, okay, so before I was obsessed with using cuticle oil like every second of every day, but now I like take it to a whole new level. So I use it from the time I wake up to the time I go to bed. It's the last thing. Like, I take off my glasses, or I put on my cuticle oil, take off my glasses, and then I'll pass out. Like, I do not mess around with my cuticle oil anymore. So I tend to recommend getting cuticle oil if you don't have one. Just check the ingredients. There's a lot of good brands out there. Erin at Dipology actually has a cuticle oil too. And of course, none of them are, and it is also vitamin rich, made with pure essential oils, all the good stuff. I recommend this as well. Definitely love it. If you're looking to make a purchase, I'll have everything linked down below. But in the meantime, let's get into the nail soak. It's been so long since I've done a video, I don't know how to act, so if I seem a little flustered and don't know what's going on, that is why. I plan to get back into it after I get my nails back to where they need to be. So, I previously ranted and raved. There's also an IG video up on my Instagram that goes over apple cider vinegar soaks. I don't know about y'all, but I cannot stand the smell of that stuff. It's disgusting. So, Erin at Dipology actually came out with a nail strengthening soak, and it has all the goods in it. So, beer powder, apple cider vinegar powder, pink Himalayan salt, helps smooth your hands, and then lavender flowers. That completely masks the smell of the apple cider vinegar. Absolutely love it. You just mix 1 to 2 scoops with 1 cup of warm water and soak nails for 10 minutes or more. And I've used this since it came out. I actually helped her test it. I absolutely love it. It is literally the best thing ever. So you guys can come along with me while I soak my nails. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Okay, so how this works, I have a cup of hot water to the side. And I forgot my little scoop it comes with. Shoot. Alright, so I do 2 scoops because I have this stuff on black, and I have a cup of hot water over here. Pull the sleeves up. The fizz is the best part. Alright, I'm going to soak my nails in this for 15 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm all done with my little soaky soak. My hands look like prunes. I always feel so like bougie and like I'm at a nail spa when I do those. So since my allergy, I've been doing those 2 to 3 times a week. Obviously, if you don't have the allergy, I would recommend at least once a month. That's what I used to do, 1 to 2 times a month. But that's just what's working for me now. So what I'm gonna do is now take my glass cuticle pusher from Bonafide Beauty and gently push back all this good stuff, promote new growth. And while I'm doing that, I just kind of wanted to say, just because some of these products did not work for me does not mean that they won't work for you. I actually just watched Dippin' Pixie's video, which I will tag down below. Like, some of the products that work for her have not worked for me. Because everybody's nails are different. And then in my next video, I'll be going over kind of my process on how I'm trying to get my nails healthy and back to where they were, so I can dip all my natural nails and not have to make press-ons. So thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's a little bit longer, but come back for part 2. I should probably have that up by next week. Love you. Bye.